Meet Tom. He's a small-town bowler with a secret. Tom's been winning big league tournaments all over the world using LaneTalk. So what's Tom's big secret? Is it that he's using his Sharkpa to win these tournaments? No. Tom is using a Lane name. That's a super secret staged sinister name. Wade Martin. And drops in a badass orange as the new black profile pic, reminding everyone that he doesn't mess around. That's right, all you LaneTalk bowling people. Our mission is simple. It's time we take down Wade Martin. Go to LaneTalk now and enter into the Sharkpa Hoo-Ha-Ha Open. And Wade, don't worry, you'll get your Sharkpa. Totally a made-up name. Sharkpa.